Welcome to Starkville, Mississippi's college town virtual walking tour, where we're exploring the heart of Starkville, one district at a time. From historic neighborhoods to vibrant downtown streets, there's so much to discover. Just across campus is the Cotton District, a vibrant neighborhood known for its colorful architecture, lively atmosphere, and a personality unlike anywhere else in Mississippi. Dan Camp designed the Cotton District in the late 1960s, making it one of the first new urbanist developments in the United States. What he created was more than a neighborhood. It was a vision for how community, design, and daily life could come together in one place. This half-mile walk through downtown is always lively and full of beautiful sights. No matter the season, the Cotton District draws people in with its charm and energy. And once you're here, it's easy to see why. With a thoughtful mix of residential, retail, and dining spaces woven together along tree-lined streets, the Cotton District is one of Starkville's most popular nightlife destinations. Whether you're looking for a great meal, a casual drink with friends, or simply an evening stroll, this neighborhood delivers. The area's architecture and art give it a distinctive, almost European feel, with ornate details, unexpected color palettes, and design elements that invite you to slow down and look closely. Every corner has something worth noticing. Throughout the year, the Cotton District comes alive with events and festivals that bring the entire community together. The Starkville Derby and the Cotton District's Art Festival are two beloved annual traditions that celebrate the spirit and creativity of this one-of-a-kind neighborhood. Whether you're visiting for the first time or you've called Starkville home for years, the Cotton District always has something new to offer, and it always leaves you wanting to come back. From Russell Street to the Cotton District, Midtown and Main Street, our town has something for everyone. Plan your visit today at starkville.org. This project is supported in part by funding from the Mississippi Main Street Association.